Hello everyone. In this series of videos, I'll be sharing my experience with Smart ODR, Smart Online Dispute Resolution. You must be wondering why I choose such a title. Like I said, it is based on my experience, so you will be able to relate it as you see the series of videos over the course of time. Smart ODR. This is a platform through which an investor can have his grievance addressed, first by means of conciliation and then by means of arbitration in case the conciliation fails. Earlier, this process was handled by the exchange, like National Stock Exchange, etc., by means of investor grievance redressal process and arbitration. But to get rid of the additional work and also to put the monetary burden by means of the hefty fees, they outsourced this work to the third-party institutes by means of the Smart ODR platform. So now, if you as an investor and complainant have to go through the arbitration, you will also have to pay the fees for the arbitration. Earlier, when exchange was conducting the arbitration, at that time, you as an investor did not have to pay any fees. I really don't think there is anything smart about Smart ODR as a platform, but this move by exchange and the regulator is certainly smart to get rid of their responsibility and to put an additional burden on the already troubled investor complainant, isn't it? Now, to talk about the process of filing a complaint on Smart ODR, it is pretty much the same how you had to file it on SEBI scores. And here also, just like SEBI scores, it will go through the respective exchange once you file it. And even when the exchange have already reviewed everything when you filed a complaint on scores, here they will do it again, pretty much the same way how it was done on the SEBI scores. This is the first and absolutely unwarranted repetitive step that, in my opinion, does not do anything other than delaying the resolution of your complaint. The exchange will ask the respondent to give their reply to your complaint and also arrange a meeting between complainant and the respondent in an attempt to resolve the matter, just how they did it when it was filed on the scores, which is a second and absolutely unwarranted repetitive step, irrespective of your opinion to have it or not, just for the sake of time pass. I take a pause here. Keep watching for the subsequent videos in the series that I shall be sharing soon. Thank you.